welcome to Healthy Kadai. Appe is one of the simple, healthy and quick breakfast recipe which we always prefer to make. Today we are making suji and oats appe, and we have given a nice tricolor twist to it because Independence Day is around the corner. So let's see how to make suji and oats tricolor appe today. Before moving to the video, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you are new to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll prepare batter for the appe. For this, I am using 1.5 cup of semolina or suji. To this, we'll add 1 cup of curd and we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. We have to add the complete quantity of salt here itself, and we'll mix everything well. We'll add half a cup of water. We need to make a nice batter which should neither be too thick nor too thin. Just like the idli batter we make, it's little thick, so I'll add more water to it. And our batter is ready. Now we'll keep it aside for at least 15-20 minutes till the semolina puffs up well. Now we need to prepare tempering for our appe. For this, we'll heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Into this, we'll splatter 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye. Then we'll add onions to it, and we'll also add half a teaspoon of chopped ginger. And we need to saute onions just for 2-3 minutes. We do not want to overcook it. And our tempering is done. To our suji batter, we'll also be adding oats. I have soaked half a cup of oats in half a cup of water. Although you can also add oats along with suji when we were soaking it. So we'll combine both suji and oats batter. Into this batter goes our onion tempering. We'll mix it well. Now, as we are making tricolor appe, so we'll divide this batter in 3 equal portions. We'll keep this white portion aside and we'll color the other 2 portions. For orange color, we are using pureed carrot. You need to simply grind carrots in mixer grinder jar. We'll add 1 teaspoon of carrot in 1 portion. These are very healthy appe made up of suji, oats as well as carrot puree. For green color, we are using spinach puree. You need to again wash the spinach well and then blend it in mixer grinder jar. If you do not have spinach for green color, you can even use any other green vegetable like capsicum, radish leaves. So we'll mix the puree well. All our 3 batters are ready. You can directly use this batter to prepare idli or appe as per your choice. But to further enhance the color of this orange and green batter, I am using edible food color. So here I am adding pinch of orange food color, and here I am adding a pinch of green food color. Now we'll mix it. Although you can completely avoid adding food colors, I will add little water in all the 3 batters. All the 3 batters are ready. As a final step, we will be adding ENO or fruit salt in all the 3 batters. So half a teaspoon of ENO goes into each. You can even use baking soda if you want. You'll just add few more drops of water. And we'll immediately mix it. Now it's time to prepare our appe. In order to prepare appe, we'll heat a appe pan, and we have greased all the cavities with oil. Now we'll take 1 teaspoon each of the batter and we'll fill all the cavities. Firstly, I am adding orange colored batter. Now we'll cover the pan and we'll cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. In between we'll also add little oil. These appe are not only tasty and very easy to prepare but also are very healthy too. One can make it as a quick evening snack, tea time snack, or even you can pack it for your kids' lunch box. Once appe are cooked from one side, it will be very easy to flip it over. We'll cover it again and we'll cook for just 1 more minute. And our appes are done. You can see these are looking lovely. Our orange colored appe are ready. So likewise we'll prepare green colored appe. Our green colored appe are looking so pretty. So it's time to flip it. So our green colored appe are also done. Now it's time for the white appe. Our tricolor appes are ready to serve. You can serve these appe with coconut chutney, mint chutney, any dip of your choice. You'll simply love this. It's a very healthy breakfast recipe. Just we have given a nice colorful twist to celebrate Independence Day. Friends, I hope you liked watching today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy. And wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.